Dad, what is everyone running from? I don't know. Wait! Finally, we can go now. Ah! What is that? Ah! Good thing we're almost home. Ah! There he is! Quick, get in the house! Well, welcome to the amazing camping trip. Thank you so much, teacher. I'm so excited. I'm excited too! Yes, but what is that? What's what? Oh my goodness, he's so cute! Oh, here he is. He's so cute! Ah! Giant dog on the loose! Everyone run! Wait for me! I am definitely gonna stop that beast. Oh my goodness, here he is right now. Why is everyone so scared of him? He's so cute! Yeah, but still. No, I need to find something to kill this beast. I'm gonna look up what's the name of this. They gave me the answer. Now I'm gonna find some way to kill them. What can kill dog Zilla? Well, he's a dog and chocolate can kill dogs, so all I need is chocolate and he dies and we're done. Well, I can't really find chocolate, but we have ketchup, so ketchup will work. Finally, I got back from a long day of school and I can't wait to go home. Home at last. Yeah! Giddy up, little doggy! Maybe I can take a nap. Oh, hey, cutie. Hi. Hi. Ah! Now, I need to get this ketchup to stop this beast. All I need is to bring him the ketchup, then he'll come give it a lick. After that, he'll be dead, and voila! The world will be happy again. Now, let's die, Dogzilla. Yep, definitely lots of drama out there. Time to get my ketchup. Yeah. Hey, Dogzilla! You want some ketchup? Here you go! Eat it! Eat it because it's your favorite! Ah! No licking, no! No, you bad beast. Now eat this. Eat this! I said eat it! Now, we'll see what happens. He's still here? Get out of here, you beast! Get out of here! Get out of here now! It's working! Dogzilla is officially gone! Woo! Hey kids, who wants cupcakes?